Hi everyone, welcome to Sachii Online Academy. Today I'm going to take you through Java flow control. Okay, in Java flow control, I'm going to take you through the if statement today. But I'm going to do a series of videos where I'm going to teach you the if statement and the switch statement, the while loop, the for loop, and the do while. So guys, you have to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video on all those flow controls, you'll be able to get a notification from this channel. Okay, so I have to say guys, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to this channel. So let's begin our tutorial for today. Okay, the if statement in Java, we normally call it the decision statement. Why? Because when you give an expression, it's like we will be given an expression to the program so that it will evaluate it and then it take a course of action depending on the decision that it makes from this expression that we give it. So the basic format for the if statement, guys, is the one that you are looking at the screen. Okay, we have got the boolean expression inside the parenthesis, which is the one which you got evaluated, and then if it is true, then the program will execute the code which is inside the inside the blocks, and if it is false, then it will go to the else part. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to include the else part. Okay, but normally you can include only the if statement and then leave the else part. Okay, the else part is optional. It's like if this one is true, then you do this, and if it is false, then do the code which is in the else block. Okay, and then you can go on to do the else if statement. Okay, the else if statement, we use it for multiple expression we have. Okay, like you might have multiple expressions that you have to test. Like if this one is true, okay, do this, else if do this, else if do this. Okay, and we can have the else block after all the else if. Okay, and you have to know that it will only execute one block, okay, from all your if and else if statements. So now let's dive into our code, guys, and I'll show you how does this work. Okay, so let me open my Eclipse and then let me create my new project, file new Java project, and then let me say if else. Okay, and then let me finish my project. This is an important flow control, guys, that we have to know. And then here inside I have to create a new class. Okay, I have to create a new class, then I have to include the main method, and I have to name it. I'm just giving it test as its name. Okay, this is our main method, guys. Inside our main method, I'm going to declare a variable, like an integer variable, and I'm going to say x. Let me initialize it to 2, and here I'm going to say if x is equal to 2, let me print just x is equal to 2. So this is the if statement, guys. I'm saying if x is equal to 2, this is the equal sign that we have to use in programming, guys. If you use this one is an initialization. We use it for initializing our objects or our variables. Okay, so but this one is the is equivalent to the equal sign that we have in mathematics and everything. So you are saying if x is equal to 2, then Sysout control space, okay, then I'm going to print that x is equal to 2, okay. And if I run this, let me try to run this. It's F12, I think it's F11. Okay, let me try to run this file. Okay, let me say run control F11. Okay, it's control F11. Okay, let's see what we get. X is equal to 2. Why we have get x is equal to 2? Why? Because here you see that our variable x, we have initialized 2 in the variable x. So guys, this is a boolean expression which returns true. So our x is equal to 2. Yes, true. Then run this block of code, okay, inside this block. Okay, this one is the block that I'm talking about. Then you can put an else statement, guys. Like if x is not equal to 2, then do this, okay. Else, like here, let me say I'm saying if x is equal to 3, say x is equal to 3. Else print that x is not equal to 3, is not equal to 3. Maybe we don't know its value, but if x is equal to 3, okay, print this value, okay. But if x is not equal to else, which means x is not equal to 3, then run this code, okay. So let's see what's our output here, guys. We've got x is not equal to 3. Why? Because x is not equal to 3, x is equal to 2. That's why we have got x is equal to 3. Okay, guys, this is the if else statement, okay. You can put your expression here and you get the result, okay. And then let me show you the else if, guys. The else if statement allows us to extend from only testing only one expression, but testing more than one expression. It can be many expressions, okay. You can say else if, but if you say else if, you have to put also a parenthesis here, guys, and you put your expression here. Like if x is equal to 2, then run this x is equal to 2, okay. And you can also say again else if, okay. Else if what? X is equal to 4, then do this, okay. Sysout x is equal to 4. Okay, here, guys, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, okay. And then here, guys, you can put also an else at the end of all this. Like if all these conditions are false, then we have to run this code, okay. Like I don't know the value of x. No, the value of x yeah. Okay, so let me say the value of x here is 5, and then I'll run this, okay. What are we going to get? I don't know the value of x. Why? Because, guys, here our x is equal to 5, and here our conditions say if x is equal to 3, say x is equal to 3. Is it x is equal to 3? No. Is it x is equal to 2 here, guys? No. Is it x is equal to 4 here, guys? No. So else just print that I don't know the value of x. Okay, but if we say here x is equal to 4, and then let's run this. Okay, we've got x is equal to 4, guys. So this is how our if statement works, if else, guys, works here in what, in Java. So I have to say thank you guys for watching this tutorial. So guys, just to support me, click the subscribe button below, and also click the notification bell so that you get a notification message, guys, when I upload a new video. Since I have already told you that this is the first part, guys, there's going to be part 2, part 3 on Java flow controls. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video.